Hi everyone. I got this box from Amazon. They broke it. That's unfortunate. Would have been a nice box. I mean, it still is, but whatever. The wife's Pilot. The headlights are just absolutely torched. Same with like the emblem. Just torched. Don't mind all the bugs. We live outside of town now. Let's fix it though. For reals. For reals. Welcome to the workbench. Welcome to the Del Sol workbench. It's about all it's good for these days. This is a headlight restoration kit. What do we got here? Repairing liquid. I don't even know what this is supposed to do. Quick dry, high brightness. Okay, whatever. The little atomizer, I'm guessing, is fucking what that is supposed to be. All right, great. Some funnels, some tape. A sponge that looks fucking used. What? And a power supply. Oh, and some sandpaper. This kit looks used. That's fucking stupid. Clean. Spray. Grit. Use it in this sequence. Dry. Order of tools. Heating cup. Alright. Alright, bet. So there's the sandpaper. Okay, well, the kit looks used, but I don't think it is. Whatever, it's fine. All right, let's let the time lapsing begin. Okay, so we're gonna pour a little bit of this into this cup here. Like that. Oh, I don't fucking know. Yeah, sure. Why not? It's blue. Let's drink it. Well, I've seen that on Instagram and YouTube 100,000 times, and that shit works really good. That's really cool. All right, well, shit, that is a hell of a lot nicer than what it looked like to start. I mean, that's really how awful they looked. I mean, see, like that's just pretty smoked. That turned out great. That's clear again. That's clear. That's just crazy, huh? Look at that. Looks brand new. That's crazy. I mean, it's really crazy, not gonna lie. I just saved probably maybe $1,500 on all new lights for the Pilot. Those are expensive. Those little suckers are expensive. The fog lights are expensive. So that's pretty dope. And I just got it on Amazon. Legit got that on Amazon, and I completely fixed all the lights on her car. Now, how long will it last? I have no idea, but we'll see. We'll straight up see. But that's pretty cool. Now I know how to do that, and just another thing that I got. So that's pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Still working on the Del Sol. It's just really slow. So, you know, I don't know. We got new stuff coming though, so that's fun. All right, peace.